Welcome to Math Challenge 569, Math Challenge for all school level math, junior and senior Olympiad math, university admission test, quantitative and numerical aptitude test, and all competitive exam math. In Math Challenge 569, we have the product of 40 into 44 into 48 into 52 plus 256, and we have to find the square root of it. Calculator not allowed. The product of 40 into 44 into 48 into 52 plus 256, we have to find the square root of it without using calculator. Math is where beauty, logic and simplicity converge into a passion. So let us see the trick for getting the square root of this expression without calculation. Math challenge 569. It may be proved that if P, Q, R, S are four natural numbers in AP and the common difference is D, then PQRS plus D power 4, that is the product of four numbers in AP plus the fourth power of common difference is a perfect square. PQRS are four natural numbers in AP, the common difference is D, then PQRS, that is a product of these four natural numbers, plus D power 4, common difference power 4 is a perfect square. And the square root will be PS plus D square, that is smallest into largest plus the square of common difference. The square root of the product of four numbers in AP plus the fourth power of the common difference will be equal to smallest multiplied by largest plus the square of common difference. So we will apply this rule here. So note that 40, 44, 48, 52 are in AP. 40 plus 4, 44 plus 4, 48 plus 4, 52. So these four numbers are in AP and the common difference is 4. So the product of these numbers plus common difference power 4, that is 4 power 4, that is the product of these numbers plus 256 is a perfect square. And that's what we are given. The product of four numbers with common difference 4 plus 256, that is 4 power 4. So product of four numbers in AP plus common difference power 4, this is a perfect square. And its square root is smallest into largest plus square of common difference. So smallest is 40, largest is 52. You multiply and then add the square of common difference. Common difference is 4. So square of common difference, 4 square. So 40 into 52 giving you 2080 plus 4 square 16. So 2096 is a required square root. We got four numbers in AP plus the common difference 4 power 4. So the square root would be smallest into largest, 40 into 52 plus common difference square, that is 4 square. So that we are getting 2096, which is the required square root of the expression. But now we shall prove it. We shall prove that the square root is smallest into largest plus common difference whole square. We shall prove this. Highlight the numbers in APB: n, n plus d, n plus 2d, n plus 3d. So the common difference is d. So the product of these four numbers, n into n plus d into n plus 2d into n plus 3d plus d power 4, common difference power 4. Now we arrange as n into n plus 3d, that is smallest into largest, and n plus d into n plus 2d, that is the two middle numbers, plus d power 4. So multiplying the first two factors, n into n square, n into 3d, 3nd. Similarly, multiplying these two, we get n square plus 3nd plus 2d square plus, of course, d power 4. Now, suppose n square plus 3nd is y. Let us represent n square plus 3nd by y. So y into y plus 2d square plus d power 4, which is y square plus 2yd square multiplied by y into y square, y into 2d, 2yd square plus d power 4, which actually is y plus d square whole square, y plus d square whole square. So this is a perfect square and the square root would be y plus d square. You can affix a plus or minus sign, but we are taking the absolute value, y plus d square. Now y is actually n square plus 3nd. So put the value of y, n square plus 3nd. So y plus d square will be n square plus 3nd plus d square, which is n into n plus 3d plus d square. Take n as common factor from the first two terms. So n into n plus 3d plus d square. So n is the smallest number, n plus 3d is the largest number, plus d square, that is a square of common difference. So the least into greatest plus common difference whole square, that is the square root. And that is a principle we applied in solving the given sum. And that was Math Challenge. Follow us for all school level math, junior and senior Olympiad math, university admission test, quantitative and numerical aptitude, and competitive exam math. And remember, all our services are entirely free of charge for students all over the world. So students from anywhere in the world can contact us, and also we have free online class once a week. And this is open to students from anywhere in the globe, and all these are absolutely free of charge. We shall come back again with more useful videos. Till then, thank you and goodbye.